So, Sister Angelica lives in a convent. On the whole, it's a fairly dull, mundane, living life one day at a time kind of situation. But then we get told that there is a visitor coming to the convent, and everyone gets very excited because visitors never come. Turns out it's a visitor for Sister Angelica, and turns out that it's her aunt, who is in fact a princess, who has come to tell her, you know how your sister is about to get married, well, we need you to sign over everything that you own so we can give it to her so that she can be the face of the family and you can remain hidden away in a convent. Why is Sister Angelica hidden away in a convent? Well, she had a child that she was then sent to the convent as punishment for that child, and she hasn't seen the child for a number of years. So she asks the princess, obviously, her aunt, so what about my son? How is he getting on? Tell me about him. And the aunt is very quiet, and the aunt says that he fell sick and that they tried to do everything they could to save him. And that's when Angelica realizes that her son has died without her, without knowing her love, and without her being able to say goodbye to him. So she decides on the one course of action that will solve everything. She's going to poison herself so that she can die and then she can be in heaven with her son forever. Except she forgets in Catholic doctrine to kill yourself is a mortal sin, which means you go to hell, which means that she will never see her son again. And so she cries out for help from the Madonna that she's worshipped these last many years to help her, because all she wants to do is be with her son again. Tragedy in an hour.